Welcome to our presentation. Today we will be talking about hot springs. Hot springs are a body of geothermically heated water below the Earth's crust. These are some examples of hot springs around the world. This is the distribution map of hot springs in the United States. Most hot springs are located in the west coast of the United States, where most volcanic activity occurs. They are also located in Alaska, mostly closer to the Pacific Ocean near the tectonic plates.
Now let's discuss a couple of abiotic factors that make hot springs unique. Hot springs are located in many places throughout the world. Take North America for instance. This map displays all the geothermal hot springs in America. Not all hot springs are the same temperature. At the surface, the average hot temperature of water in hot springs is 147 degrees Fahrenheit or 64 degrees Celsius. Hot springs can range anywhere from having lukewarm water to boiling waters. Let's get a greater look into some of these hot springs. Reguigu has a temperature of 82 degrees Celsius with a pH of 6.6 and contains minerals of potassium, sodium, calcium, and manganese. New Zealand's Champagne pools names derives from the efflux of carbon dioxide, similar to gas of bubbling champagne.
Because hot springs have extreme temperatures, only high temperature tolerant bacteria and microbes live there. Most bacteria are thermophiles, which can grow above 50 degrees Celsius. This producer can turn solar energy and carbon dioxide into sugars and oxygen via photosynthesis and produce most oxygen that survives on Earth's atmosphere, found in microbial mats, which are highly organized community where photosynthetic cyanobacteria serve as the main power plants. These are some more examples of typical producers in hot springs.
Since the temperatures are so extreme in hot springs, only certain life is able to withstand the heat. Let's get a look into what life is like inside of hot springs biomes. The ephrid fly, the thermophile, Legionella bacteria, Acanthomoeba, and Naegleria fabularia.
Hot springs help to preserve fossils because of the dissolved silica. These fossils include plants, crustaceans, and insects living on the wetlands around the ecosystem. Both algal species and cyanobacteria carry out photosynthesis. Some microbes such as cyanobacteria, methanogens, and methantrophs contribute to the carbon cycle by producing methane, organic compounds, and carbon dioxide, which affect the change in the amount of oxygen in the air. Some microbes such as sulfide oxidizers and reducers affect the sulfur cycle by producing and absorbing sulfate ions and sulfide, which affect the change in pH. Furthermore, some hot spring microbes and cyanobacteria were the ones of the first species on Earth to contribute to the amount of oxygen in the air.
Hot springs can affect the economy in many ways. For one, they are great tourist attractions. Just like all tourist attractions, they draw in money and help boost the economy. They help rehabilitation clinics with patients who may be ill or undergo some type of suffering. These clinics also draw in money. Along with the tourists and clinics, spas have one of the greatest benefits of hot springs. People spend lots of money pampering themselves. Hot spring spas are associated with the healing and promoting wellness. These are all vital products of hot springs and how they benefit the economy.
Human use of geothermal energy harms the life of many bacteria and microbes in hot springs that are important to the Earth's atmosphere. Hot water from geothermal energy may have amounts of toxic chemicals caused by humans, such as mercury, arsenic, boron, antimony, and salt, that will be released into the Earth's atmosphere. Irrigation system from urbanization reduces the amount of water from hot springs and alter its ecosystem. Urbanization, exotic plant and species, air pollution from geothermal plants, and overcrowding may contribute to the change in the hot spring ecosystem. Worst of all toxic chemicals dumping change the pH of the hot spring and may kill many bacteria and microbes.